So this is the unboxing of the Bietrun WXM22, which is a professional wireless recording microphone system. It does come in a very nice package. As you can see, it's a very hard cardboard box. So I've already cut open the seals so that it makes it easy to open. So you just open by pulling it up. It has, inside we have a small Bietrun greeting card and the user manual. Okay, so the greeting card says, thank you for choosing our products. Yeah, it's a very nice way of sending the package to the client, I'd say. Now inside it, we have a smaller box. So we have the smaller box, which I think contains the lavalier microphone. And we have two of the Bietrun. So we have this is the receiver. Yeah, this is the receiver. So, and then we have also the microphone now, which is the transmitter. So this is the transmitter where you plug in your microphone. The box doesn't have anything else, so I'll put it aside. We'll now look at the accessories bag and see what is in it. Again, it's a very nice package, as you can see. I'll open from one side. So we have a nice carry bag, which I'll be using or you can use to carry your microphone. Then we have the lavalier microphone that has a small clip. It has I'd say a very reasonable amount of length so that you can actually plug it in. Then we have two jack cables for connecting to the receiver and the computer. And we also have two USB type C chargers. So it is one charger, but then it has two ports, so you can charge both of the transmitter and the receiver at the same time. The clips feel a bit, they're actually quite sturdy, so I think this can last a while. We have the settings button. This is the receiver. We have the settings button. I believe the volume up, volume down, and I think this also can double up as the channel up, channel down. We have the jack for the microphone. So I think this is for the microphone and for the headphones, and we have the charging port. We have a similar set of buttons for the receiver, at least on the bottom side. Again, the clip feels a bit sturdy. It's actually quite sturdy. We have the plus and minus volume buttons. In this case, this one we have the power button and the battery, and of course we have where we are plugging in the microphone. Now this Bietrun microphone, the transmitter actually has its own inbuilt microphone, which we'll be doing a review of it at some later time. Once I've used it for a while. And the same for the transmitter, we have, the receiver, we have the power button at the top. So yeah, so that is the review, the unboxing for this. Until next time, see you.